Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Beige. If you're new here, welcome. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below before you leave. Today's video is going to be a tutorial on this wig. This wig was sent to me from Wow African. I'll have all of their information, the promo codes, and the direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. This wig is in the style HW03 and the length 22 inches. It does feature their new clean hairline. Now you guys, I had to literally stop everything that I was doing to look at this hairline. It was so perfect, so flawless, so neat, so perfect. As soon as I took it out the package, I was like, oh my gosh, this is one of the best hairlines that I've tried on a wig ever. Like, look at that. No work is needed from you at all to make this wig look super natural. No work, no plucking, no bleaching, none of that stuff, which makes this perfect for beginners. Since I don't wear any wig grips or wig caps underneath my wigs, I need to create the color of a scalp or the illusion of a scalp underneath my wig. And I do that by basically tinting the lace. I do use two colors of lace tints to make my wigs fully customized. The first color is the color of my scalp, which I'll be spraying on the inner portion of the frontal. The next color or shade is the color of my foundation, which I'll be spraying along the hairline of the frontal. I'm spraying 2 layers of each color of lace tint and then blow drying in between each layer. So today I am doing a half up, half down hairstyle, but I'll be doing 2 ponytails on the half up side. So I'm just going to section off where I want those 2 ponytails to be and then pin them out of the way so that I can focus on styling the rest of the hair. So first I am just going to detangle the hair and then I'll be applying a hair serum. This one is from BioSilk. In small sections, I'm going to grab my Baby Bliss curling iron and begin to curl the hair. For a more polished, sleek look, I'll be grabbing a hair wax stick, applying that to the frontal portion of the wig, and then using my pressing comb to smooth those hairs into place. Next, I'm just going to grab those ponytails and begin to curl them.
Far off dreams, far off places. My love, she sits. My love is waiting.
Now that I am finished styling the hair, it's time to cut away that extra lace. Grabbing a pair of zigzag scissors, I'm just going to carefully cut right in front of the hairline.
Do you believe
Okay, so now it's time for install. Grabbing alcohol, I'm going to clean off my forehead and then grab Walker Tape's scalp protector and apply that to my scalp.
Don't take up spaces, so hard to find.
So now that my scalp is prepped for install, I'm going to grab Wonder Lace Bond from Eben, New York, as well as the wig. I'm going to spray a thin layer of that to the edge of the frontal portion of the wig, and then I am going to blow dry until it is tacky.
With golden eyes, so hard to find. There on you.
Grabbing the wig, I'm going to place it on my head in its proper placement, and then I'm going to grab this elastic band, apply it to the edge of the wig, and allow it to set for 15 to 20 minutes. So when I first put the wig on, I did notice that the hairline of this wig is more square and my natural hairline is more rounded. So that just means that my hairline is going to show through and I need to add baby hairs to hide that fact. So I did add those baby hairs off camera. Now I'm just going to grab a piece of the ponytail and wrap it around the base of the ponytail to help it stay in place. I'll be spraying 𝐔𝐲𝐵 Ultra Glue Gel to the base of it, and that's going to help make the hair sticky and it's going to stick down with no problems. Because this hair is not the thickest and the ponytails are a little bit thin, I'm just going to separate the hair to fluff it out so that they can seem fuller. And here is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, don't forget to leave them down below in the comment section. I will have all of the information, the promo codes, and direct links to the wig worn in this video down below in the description box. So don't forget to check down below for more information. 𝐻𝐼 did a great job with this wig. And of course, it was easy to style and install, which makes it perfect for beginners. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a huge thumbs up and comment down below so that I know you stopped by, and I can't wait to see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Beautiful as you are, beautiful as you, beautiful as you are, as you are.
Beige, Ojai. Yeah, that's right. It's Beige, Ojai.